So I'm not that interested in a TV. So hubby can choose whatever TV he wants. Because yeah, I don't really care actually. So we just got home and we bought pizza and fries. Yummy!
Heel lekker.
Yummy! Coffee! Yes! Okay, so we painted the kitchen totally white. First there was wallpaper everywhere, but we put that down and now it's very pretty and white. We also finished painting the hall and just not all above because we have to check the wallpaper we put down. We couldn't like how do you say that? There's some still pieces left, but there's a lot, so we're working on that. In this room we put also new laminate flooring, and this one is almost finished, and this room is going to be a walk-in closet. Can't wait. And now they're busy here in this room and they're almost ready. Today we're going to put these things, I don't know how you call this, but yeah, going strong. So current situation on the living room, everything is painted. Yeah, that's that. It is a mess, but it's going great. This one is kind of working, kind of. Vertel eens wat over jezelf.
Yeah, I just started my fitness journey when I was 17 years old. Out of my garage, I had nothing. I had nothing. Suddenly, I started with my shredded lifestyle, a concept that I made out of scratch, and now it's a multi-billion dollar company. You have to strive for progress, not perfection, and then you can achieve everything. So, until the next episode, guys. Boom.
Hi guys, good morning. It is Friday the 28th of September. I just came to my house because there are going to come people to put up the, I don't know how you call it, but the hood, I think that's how you call it, where you cook, you know, and they're going to come between 10 and 2 o'clock. So that's why I'm here now, waiting for them, and after that I'm going to work because I have some things to do. And yeah, yesterday the bed arrived. The bed, the mattress, and those things that go under the mattress. It's still in boxes. I'm gonna show you. Bum, 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 bum. Here it is. It's the bed and the mattresses, and we're going to put the bed up, I think tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but we will see. So I'm very excited for that. Oh, this lighting in the kitchen is really good. I know where I'm going to take my pictures. Hey guys, it's Saturday today, the 29th, and we are already working again on the house. Yep. It's now 7 o'clock in the evening. We're on our way back home to my house. So yeah, my parents' house. So we worked today again the whole day, and the bed came in today. I forgot to film it, but I will film it tomorrow when we arrive at home again. Tomorrow we're going to the IKEA to buy lights and some other stuff. So yeah, it was a successful day, and we're pretty much kind of finished with the most important things that we have to do, so yeah. Look at him. The man was looking at me like, what the fuck is she doing? Sunset, oh my god, I love sunsets. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Today is September 30. And I cannot believe September's almost over.
Wacht, moet er echt door,
Tomorrow, no, right, to the right. And I got my coffee right here. It is, oh my god, such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. I love it. Off to IKEA and some other stores. We still have to buy a lot of things. For example, we are going to look for some lighting in all rooms, but we're probably just gonna buy some basic lighting for now, and then probably gonna buy lighting that we really like later on in about a month or two, but just for now because it's already getting dark earlier and we don't have any lights. So yeah, today we're also going to order the walk-in closet today, so I'm very excited for that. Okay guys, so we just ordered our walk-in closets at the IKEA and I'm so excited! This is the bed that we bought. The mattress is over here. There we have pillows. So yeah, we're putting the bed together. Marble table for the living room, and we also bought the same one but then in a larger size, and it's also a little lower, so it will be like this. Very cute. And we're planning to buy, can you not? And we're planning to buy a third table for the living room, but then a wooden one. This is our bed. I love it. I also am loving this color. It's taupe. Really pretty. So tired, I will totally sleep here right now. This mattress is so good that we bought